There's a major political fire raging over how appropriate it is for Prime Minister Narendra Modi to head to Ayodhya for the grand stone-laying ceremony, the Bhumi Pujan of the Ram Temple. Now remember, there has been no official announcement yet from the Prime Minister's office that he will head to Ayodhya for this Bhumi Pujan, but what we do know is that the Ram Temple Trust is very keen on having him. The UP government is already laying elaborate arrangements in Ayodhya for the Prime Minister to be present for 2 hours, and the opposition is deeply upset, saying the Prime Minister would be setting a wrong example because we're in the middle of a massive pandemic. The virus won't stop. Huge number of people may descend in Ayodhya. Social distancing norms may not be followed. So on the news track tonight, we'll delve into how justified or unjustified would be a Prime Minister visit to Ayodhya for this grand Bhumi Pujan. But before that, let me show you how the political face-off has been brewing all through the day, and then we'll kickstart the news track showdown. We also have exclusive insights into what the Ram temple will look like. We've spoken to the architect who made that temple. He's given us the design. It's a beautiful design. We'll show you what the Ram temple could look like. But let's just get started and show you our lead story tonight.
Come August 5, and the foundation will be laid for the Ram temple in Ayodhya. A Bhumi Pujan ceremony is planned and Prime Minister Modi is likely to attend. Sources have told India Today Prime Minister may join the crucial event between 11 am and 1 pm on August 5, while the rituals may start at 8 am. According to the Ram Janmabhoomi Trust, the Muhurat or the auspicious moment will be for 32 seconds at 12:15 pm. A total of 200 people, including 150 invitees, would be allowed for the Bhumi Pujan. The trust says that the list of invitees has been capped because of the COVID-19 contagion. But AIMIM has now questioned the grand plan. Party MP Imtiaz Jalil accused the Modi government of hypocrisy, asking if social distancing norms are allowed, will namaz be allowed too?
देखिए, ये जितने भी त्योहारों के ताल्लुक से आप निर्बंध डाल रहे हैं, आप कंडीशंस डाल रहे हैं, क्या वो सिर्फ लोगों के लिए है और देश के वजीर आजम के लिए नहीं है? उनके एक प्रवक्ता ने कहा कि नहीं, हम पूरा सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग का पालन करने वाले हैं प्रधानमंत्री। तो प्रधानमंत्री जी, हम भी आपको कहना चाहते हैं, हम भी पूरा सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग का पालन करते हुए हमको भी नमाज पढ़ने की इजाजत दी जाए।
Just a few weeks ago, NCP chief Sharad Pawar had targeted the Modi government by saying that prioritizing the construction of a temple would not cure coronavirus.
आम्हाला असं वाटतं की कोरोनामध्ये सापडलेले लोक त्याला कसं बाहेर काढायचं, त्या कामाला आपण सांगणार नाही. काही लोकांना असं वाटत असेल की मंदिर बांधून कदाचित कोरोना जाईल.
The decades-long Ayodhya land dispute may have concluded with the Supreme Court verdict, but there is no end to the politics on the issue.
जलील जी को मेरा सवाल है कि आपको ईद की चिंता है या राम मंदिर का विरोध है? आप जो राम मंदिर का बार बार जो बोल रहे हैं कि आपका असली मुद्दा क्या है?
The Bhumi Pujan ceremony has already been delayed due to the coronavirus pandemic. With just over 10 days to go for the foundation stone laying ceremony, the temple trust is moving ahead with its grand plans. Bureau Report, India Today.